Hello, welcome to class. I remain your core maths teacher, Mr. Dewale. In this lesson, we will be able to say, I can count the total value of $1, $10, and $100 bills up to 1,000. Now, I want you to take your relevant materials alongside with you and remain focused as we move further in this lesson. Now, let's start with our fluency. I'll say a double fact. You tell me the answer. You wait for my signal. And what is my signal? My signal is with a clap. Are you ready? I'm sure you are ready. Yes, let's go. 5 plus 5. Did I hear you say 10? Very correct. Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. 3 plus 3. Did I hear you say 6? Very good. Very correct. 6 plus 6. Did I hear you say 12? Give yourself a round of applause. 1 plus 1. Did I hear you say 2? Yes, you're doing great. Give yourself a round of applause. 4 plus 4. Did I hear you say 8? Yes, you're doing very well. 9 plus 9. Did I hear you say 18? Very correct. 18. 2 plus 2. Did I hear you say 4? Very correct. 10 plus 10. Did I hear you say 20? Yes, give yourself a round of applause. Yes, 10 plus 10, 20. You're doing great. Let's move on. 8 plus 8. Did I hear you say 16? Very correct. 16. Let's move on. 7 plus 7. Did I hear you say 14? Very correct. 14. Give yourself a roll clap. You deserve it. Let's move on. Now, I'll say 10 minus 6. You say 6 plus 4 equals 10. Are you ready? Okay, now I take that again. Related fact within 20. If I say 10 minus 6, you say 6 plus 4 equals 10. Wait for my signal. Remember, my signal is with a clap. Are you ready? Yes, I'm sure you are ready. Now, 8 minus 3. What will I have? Quickly. Yes, did I hear you say 3 plus 5 equals 8? Give yourself a round of applause. You're doing great. Let's move on. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. Wait for my signal. Did I hear you say 7 plus 6 equals 13? Very good. Give yourself a round of applause one more time. Let's move on. 11 minus 8. Come on. Yeah, did I hear you say 8 plus 3 equals 11? Give yourself a round of applause. Yes. Okay, now I have an application problem. It says Stancy has $154. She has 14 $1 bills. The rest is in $10 bills. How many $10 bills does she have? So quickly, let's solve that. Let's solve it. Now it says Stancy has $154. Okay, now out of that 154, She has 14 $1 bills. So what are we going to do? Let's subtract. We are subtracting. Very good. So we are subtracting 150 minus 14. If we subtract 150 minus 14, it's giving us 140. Remember, they told us our answer should be in $10 bills. So 140 in the 10-way count is what? Since 100 is 10, that is 10 tens, 100 is 10 tens. So what will be 140? It's going to be what? 14 $10 bills. Yes, so she has 14 $10 bills left. Give yourself a round of applause. Yes, let's move on. Okay. I wanted to place, say, 10 bills of each denomination above each column. The place value chart is unlabeled because the value is shown on each bills. Good. Now, this is the 100, this is the tens, and this is the ones. Good. So they say we should place 10 bills of each denomination each. So let's place 10 bills. Now, say count up to 124 by $1 bills on your place value chart. When you get 10, add $1 bills, change them for $10 bills. When you get $10 bills, change it for another. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let's change it for a $10 bills. Did you see that? Now let's count another $10 bills. And we are going to change it for a $100 bill. Do you understand? Very good. Let's move on. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let's change it for a $100 bill. 100. Did you see that? Good. Now remember, we are counting up to 124. So we've gotten up to 100, remaining 24. So now how are we going to count? Let's count. This 10, another 10. Very good. This is 120. Now let's count the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give yourself a round of applause. We did it again. Yes. We did it again. Let's move on. I is counting up to 124 with money bills, different from counting up to 124 with bundles. How is it? Comment your answer below. Let's move on. Good. Now, partner A puts 5 $1 bills on a roll horizontally across your decks. Now, partner B express the value of the money using sentence frame. Now, I have how many $1 bills? So you tell me. Partner A has 5 $1 bills. Good. Now, partner B put another 5 roll of 5 $1 bills directly below the 5 roll. So partner A express the value of the money. So what are you going to say? Partner A has 10 $1 bills. Give yourself a round of applause. Yes. So tell me, express the value of the money. Good. Partner B has 28 $8 bills. That is 2 10s and 8 1s. Now, partner B, write the value of the money in expanded form. write it below. Now I want you to write this, take note of this. I want you to write this in the comment box below. Write the value of this money in the comment box below in expanded form for me. Now partner B, change the next two $1 bills on the left for two $10 bills. So that will be how many now? That is 6 $10 bills and how many ones? 4 ones. That is $64 bills. Give yourself a round of applause. Now partner A, write the value of the money in expanded form. Write it in expanded form. That is 400 plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 ones. That is making how many? $46 bills. Give yourself a round of applause. Now partner A, change 6 $1 bills to 6 $10 bills. Change 6 $1 bills to 6 $10 bills. So what is the value of this money below? It's 10 $10 bills. It's giving us a what? $100 bills. Give yourself a round of applause. Show me $64 bills. Did you see $64 bills here? Count it for me. There is 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. 4 10, 5 10, 6 10. Yes, then let's count the ones. 1 2 3 4. 4 ones, making what? 64. Good. Partner A, change two $10 bills on the left to $100 bills. What is the new value? Change two $10 bills on the left. Okay, we are changing it to two $100 bills, making what? 200. Then let's count the one. This of the tens. It's 290. 290. Give yourself a round of applause. Now partner B, change one $10 bills on the left to $100 bills. What is the new value? Good. Now tell me the new value. $190. That is 100 plus 90 in expanded form. Now show me 334. Change 3 tens to 300. Okay. Now here is our problem set. I want to do your problem set in your textbook, your exit ticket in your textbook, and your assignments. As I'm going to see you in our next class. Remember, Mr. Adewale loves you. Bye-bye.